Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R750xs. In this video we're going to go over power supplies. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. So a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R750xs. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, so this will be the quickest video if you've been following our series on the 750xs. It's going to be about power supplies. So first off, we're going to put up the different types of wattages that you can use, and then we're going to show you how to install it, which is incredibly simple because it is a hot swap power supply. You literally just pop it in, but we'll show you nonetheless. And if you are looking to overnight a power supply, please email sales@cloudninjas.com, sales@cloudninjas.com. We keep power supplies in stock and we'd love to help you out. All right, so what wattages can we use? 600, 800, 1100, or 1400. The 600, 800, and 1400 are all platinum, and the 1100 is titanium. Power supplies. Let's get going.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge R750xs server. So as you can see, we have our power supply here, and you'll notice the orange tab that's located here. And this tab will click into place when the unit is fully installed into the slot. So let's actually show you how that looks. We will slot this power supply in and then push it all the way inside. As you can see, the orange tab clicked into place, letting us know that it is fully installed. So here we will install the second one, showing you how it looks again. As you can see, it's locked in, and we know the power supply is fully installed because the orange tab has clicked into place. Now, when you remove the power supply, all you need to do is press down on that orange tab and then pull it out of the slot. Simple as that, and you've done it. You've successfully installed your power supplies into your Dell PowerEdge R750xs server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom-built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, Asus, Gigabyte, maybe you're looking for an ASRock server or AMD Ryzen server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.